How old are you? Harold's brother.
No, he isn't.
Sorry.
Spin it around.
We're going to spin it around for you so you can point at the numbers. How old are you?
40.
40.
41, 2, 41.
I think it was 42. So maybe it was 23, the last one.
Oh, yeah, because he wasn't his father, didn't he? Yeah.
It was his brother.
Oh, brother. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Wow. Brother.
Wow.
Okay.
That was very...
That was strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there any other brothers or sisters?
I very barely touch this. It's so strange.
No?
No.
That's no. Okay. So it was F.
I thought it was
It's either
G-E-L.
or G-E-L or F-E-L.
Could you do the next letter of your name, please?
So that's
H.
H.
G-E-L.
Unless they start again.
Not sure.
Should we ask it to start again?
Right.
Yeah, would you be able to start again and spell your name out? Because we didn't quite catch it. We're getting a bit confused. Sorry. Wow. Okay, so
really.
F.
F or G.
back to F or G.
So that's F. And what's the second letter of your name, please?
E.
E.
So that's
It's the
F-E.
same, isn't it?
Yeah.
F-E.
And the third
what-
letter? No way.
F-E.
F-E-L.
Okay. And what's the next letter?
Oh, Felix. Maybe.
Could be, yeah.
Oh.
And the next letter?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Felix.
Felix.
That's a nice name.
That's a lovely name. Is your name Felix? Have we got that correct? Yeah. Okay. Harold and Felix.
Wow.
That's a bit long-winded, isn't it?
Unusual name.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. Especially for that era.
Are you English? Felix?
Definitely going that way.
Yeah.
What was your name again? Sorry.
Kate.
Kate. Is there anything that you wanted to tell Kate? Is there somebody here that knows Kate? Yes. Do you know anybody that might want to say hello?
I've got lots of people in that house.
Okay.
Is it one of my grandparents?
Right, so...
You need to get them to spell out her name now.
Yeah, you need to get them.
Because we don't know any.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't tell
So
us the
you
names, yeah.
carry on talking because we're obviously wanting to speak to you. So just...
Can you tell me the name of the person who wants to talk to me?
D or C?
Okay. Can you spell the second name in their name? Letter in their name?
Is that relevant?
Yeah.
Oh,
Was it?
God.
Is it?
Don't tell us yet.
Was it O, was it?
Yeah.
What's the third letter?
Dorothy.
It is. That's
Right.
my grandmother's name.
What, Dorothy?
Okay. Can you... Because... are you able to give us your age when you passed, Dorothy? Let's turn the planchette round so you can point. Are you able to give us your age, Dorothy, of when you passed over? Six.
Yeah, that's 6.
Oh, it's going right over.
3.
73? 63?
63 or something?
Is that anywhere close?
No.
No. What year was she born? Would that be a good one?
No, because I wouldn't. I can't remember.
Oh, right, okay. Well, you
Let's
ask.
start her again.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you tell me how old you were when you died?
5.
Oh, she's going for the year.
52.
52.
It was in 2000s, the year she died, but she's just if she's gone to the 2, but I don't know.
She wasn't 52, no.
No,
And she wasn't born in 52.
no. She
That
was
would
in
make
the
her
Land Army. I was going to
73.
say
Oh,
she was
okay.
in the Land Army, so it's got to be way earlier.
Okay. What
Can you
else?
tell me how many children you had?
What's it doing?
I don't know.
I think it's trying to line up. Is that 3?
4, isn't it?
I don't know. It's just.
Very strong.
It's trying to
3.
go to 3.
Oh, no, she had 2, but she did have a miscarriage, so that's weird. Okay. Strange.
Do you know how she died? Don't say.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are you able to give the first letter of the how Dorothy died? Are we turning it?
I'm not.
So
I'm not.
should we turn it round first?
Right,
so
yeah,
they can-
okay. So, are you able to give the first letter of how Dorothy passed away?
Ooh, came off.
Yes.
Is it S, is it?
Go back. Can you give us the second letter?
That's weird.
Was it
ST. Stroke.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you, Dorothy.
Are you just wanting to say hi, or have you got something else that you want to say? Are you wanting to just say hello and that everything's okay?
There's a hello down here if you want to say hello.
Okay, move it back. Is there anybody else with Dorothy that would like to say anything that you may know?
Oh, that's weird. It's just doing it, isn't it?
Yeah, you can feel it, can't you? It's just
Yeah.
like
No.
No.
no one else.
Okay. I can't think of anything else to say.
I asked, is my what's it? Is Pumpy with you? Oh, that's my granddad. I used to call him Pumpy. Oh, it's nice to know.
And what's the first name? Do you want it to spell out the name?
Can you give the first letter of Pumpy's name?
H?
Yeah,
It is.
It is.
he's Herbert.
Wow. Herbert, is there anything that you would like to say?
Oh. What would you like to say, Herbert?
H.
H.
Hi.
Can I ask if you're both happy where you are? Oh. Good. I'm pleased.
Can I ask if Sammy dog is with you? Okay. There you go. Wow. Trying to think what else I can ask. I got a question for Dorothy. Were you okay with my mum not being with you when you died, and the fact it was just my sister and me?
Yes.
It's always good to know. Can't think what else to ask.
Is anyone else with them?
Is there anyone else there with you? Definitely going in that direction.
Yes.
Did you want to talk to anyone else around the table?
No.
Are Harry and Felix still there? Harold and Felix. That's a yes.
Yeah, I guess it's
I hope you don't feel as though we've neglected you.
No. Is there anything Harold and Felix want to tell us? No.
Because you've taken your finger off.
Yeah. Left the energy.
They want a male energy.
Oh, weird.
I think it's your energy they're liking. Right, so no.
Because you're not hardly touching it either, are you?
No, I'm not.
Should we take up? So you keep your finger on,
Yeah.
and then we'll ask, and then we can each take our, and then we, one at a time,
Yeah.
to see if it
And that you
affects
just
the
be you,
energy.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, no. To see if it affects the energy. So I'll take mine off, and then you ask a question. You take yours off, and so on, and we'll see if anybody's finger in particular
All right.
affects the energy. But I don't know what to ask now.
No, it's definitely moving like this. Barely touch it.
So Felix and Harold, do you like the fact that Jamie's got his finger on the planchette? Do you like his energy?
Oh, wow, it's just moving.
Does it look, because he looks kind of goofy?
Oh no, it's not that.
No. Oh.
I don't know, it's pointing a P.
Yeah. Does he remind you of anybody?
L.
P.L. Plonker?
Yeah.
P.L.U. Yeah, keep going for us.
Plum, I don't know. P-O-U. Plum? Is that N?
Or is it M?
N or M?
Plum.
Are you calling him a plum?
Could be worse.
It's sort of going. Oh no.
P-U-N-C. No, P-U-N.
Spanish.
I wonder if you can spell. It depends what age you are and if it's that
Yeah,
far
well, one's
back.
23 or 13, and the one was 42 or something.
Was it P-U-N-H?
It was
P-U-N-I, wasn't it?
L.
Ask them if they're going to stay with us the whole evening.
Yeah, should we start taking fingers off and stuff?
I'll take mine off.
All right, okay. Are you going to stay with us for the whole evening and guide us round the museum?
Oh wow.
No.
No.
Has it got a date or something?
Is it just this room that you're drawn to?
Stops moving when you. Oh no, still moving.
Oh, still moving.
It's not got as much energy as
No.
when you're on. Put your finger back on. Not so.
We're not saying that you're pushing it. We're just
No,
saying that they
I was
want
gonna
your.
say,
No,
yeah,
you're not.
put it-
You
put-
couldn't
yeah.
done because of the names. Nobody could be pushing it.
No.
We don't know anything about.
And I didn't
I
say
couldn't
it
even
out
remember
loud.
it.
I'm barely
No.
touching it.
No.
No, they're going for. I can feel it moving under my finger.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so
what
can I.
It's really
Because it's
simple.
so slippy.
Yeah.
I can't. Well, I can get a purse on it now.
Let's push it back. Oh yeah, I can only.
Do you want to go, Si?
Um.
Do you want to swap over? I think actually it might have be. I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to let Simon sit in here and get some more male energy.
Can you reach? No.
Yeah, yes, I can reach. Tell you what, we can stop that one now. I'll let you go rest. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Do we have to start again, or do we stay here till a new person join you?
No, can you
Oh
start
no,
again?
I don't know if it's moving or not moving.
Yes.
What, you have to start again?
Oh, I don't know. Let's ask. Felix, are you still there? Is it slipping around and it's doing moves under your fingers, please?
Yes, he's still here.
What was the other one called?
Harold.
Did we find out how they died?
No.
No, it didn't move when we asked, did it?
Yeah, we did. We asked and it just stayed exactly where it was.
Do they know they have?
That's,
Yeah, they
yeah,
don't always know that they're passed
It's a
over
bit
there.
short, yeah.
But my nan said she had a stroke. So,
Yeah.
So she knew. That's because I told her when she was.
Are you getting a bit happy?
Do you want us to stay talking to you, or are you happy that you've passed your message on?
Okay, if you want us to leave, just point to the goodbye.
Yeah, it does.
That's actually as I tried.
yeah, probably. I don't like the big ogre.
Well, thank you for talking to us. We've liked talking to you. And if you want to talk to us again, we'll be about later.